Welcome back. Okay, welcome back, all of you. LVG is the host now. Could you please share your screen? Mr. LVG is host. Ignatius or you?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Not Ignatius.
Mr. Knockout.
You are the
No,
host.
he's in yet. He's in?
You are the host. LVG.
Okay. You're playing with the host.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. You already created setup method.
Yeah.
This before method. Okay.
Yeah.
And your test case is login functionality test. So now what you can do?
So I can do. I can start right now. Login functional test.
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. So driver dot get find element.
Find element. Perfect.
And let's go to the Facebook. Should I go this way or go with Selenium?
You can use both actually.
Okay. Okay, we can go like this way.
Facebook.com. Okay.
Oh,
So log out first. Log out first. Log out.
Okay. Let's do. Let's see where is the log out here. Not here. Right here. Log out. Okay.
Log out. Okay. Okay. Right button, click anywhere.
And do the inspector.
Yeah, you have to inspect. Click on inspector. Well, inspector. Just
drag this one out here.
yeah, drag it to the right.
Right, drag it to the right. Okay. Okay. Well, it's my inspector. Okay, do it again. Inspector.
Okay.
Okay. Now click here. Bring it back to the
Don't say click here. Say click on inspector tool.
Okay. Click on inspector tool.
Okay.
And bring the cursor to the
No, no. You have to click on username area.
Okay, username area. So I click on the username area and I can see here.
And
And
when you click back in user area, okay, the elements of the user area are highlighted, right?
Yes.
Now you can find element from the selected area. Okay.
So, yeah.
Selected area. So we have 8 locators in Selenium. 8 locators. One is ID. Second one is name. Third one is class. Fourth one is expert. Okay. You don't need to remember all of them right now. Just remember ID, class, name and expert. Okay, expert. Okay, you are
We
choosing
prefer our
ID.
line first.
Okay, just copy it,
Copy it.
and remember you are taking as a locator, that is ID.
Yeah.
Okay, go back to your project. So it's by.id, right?
Yeah.
And
Inside.
by ID,
I'm gonna
the
paste.
value. Control V.
Paste the value.
Okay, so the value is string. Ignatius,
Yeah.
remember,
Yeah.
when it is string, you need what?
Quotation mark.
Quotation mark, right?
Mark.
You
Mhm.
learn
Inside
it. You learn it in Java, right?
Right.
If it is string, you put quotation mark. Remember,
Okay.
okay? Then what we have done here? We have done here two things. One, we find the element. We find the element. Then we locate the element. Locate the element means we copy the value and we just paste it here. The pass. So two step we have done. One is we find the element, okay, then we locate the elements, and now we have to pass the parameter. We want the automation tool to pass our username or email or phone number, okay. So to pass the parameter we use a method. What is the name of this method?
get method.
No,
Oh.
sand keys.
Oh, sand key. Sorry.
Okay,
What is it called again?
sand keys. You see,
Sand key.
sand
Oh,
keys.
okay.
Sand keys is a method.
Okay.
Is inbuilt method or built-in method in Selenium.
Okay.
We are not creating it. It is already there. We are using just dot parameter, and it is giving us lot of options. From lot of options, we are choosing sand keys.
Okay.
Sand keys is a method that help us to pass the parameter, whatever we want to type in the username field, it will type. Okay, send keys, pass the parameter. Okay, so three things we have done in this just one line. One is we find the element. How we find the element? We just go to the website, then we right button click, right button click, then find the element, then locate the element and send the parameters, pass the parameters. Okay, now execute it. Let's see what happens. Remember, when we do all this work, every line of code we write, every line after we complete every line, we execute, we test. You see what you have done. You didn't take the elements
From the
of email or phone number area
we took element from
from the password. You know,
right.
you skip the one test.
This area.
Yeah, one test step. So
Yeah.
again, do it again.
Okay.
Okay, right button click on inspect, go to inspector, click back. You see what is the ID here? ID is email, right?
Email.
Ignatius,
Okay.
ID is email.
Email.
So what did you put there? Pass.
Pass.
So it was wrong. Okay.
That was wrong. You
Now,
put it in the wrong area.
okay, now execute it. Let's see what happens now. Invoking the browser, navigating to the, you see, fantastic, right? Ignatius, you don't need to understand yet, okay?
Okay. Okay. I'm watching.
Yeah, just watch it. How it work.
Now I can do this one too.
Yeah, just right button click. You don't need to right button click on password field. You can do
Yeah.
anyway.
Click on inspector
Yes,
and go back to the password area
okay,
and find the element from here.
okay.
So I can find here
Now, Ignatius,
Uh-huh.
can you see ID here?
Yes, the ID. Yeah.
Yes, ID.
Pass.
Okay,
Yes, the ID.
ID is equal to pass.
Yes.
Can you see name located here? Name.
Yes, in name. Yes.
Yes,
ID,
name
yeah.
is there. Okay, fantastic.
Yes.
Can you see class?
Yes, the class. Yeah.
Yeah, class. So ID, class, name, these are locator. Okay.
Okay.
We can choose any one from these three.
Oh, okay.
And we know there is another locator I told you, and there is expert. How we can take expert? Can you show us, LBG? Right button click, right button click,
Copy and
copy,
export.
then copy expert. You see? Very simple, very easy. Once you understand, you can do it. We will be practicing at least 100 times. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay.
Ignatius, we will be doing the same thing again and over again.
Right.
So after 3 months, you will become confident. You will say,
Okay.
I am ready to go to job market. Okay? Don't worry. Now, in just 1 month, LVG is now expert. Now he can do it. Okay. Now
Oh, sorry.
it is passed, right? You can
Yeah.
just copy
I copied this one.
this line, okay? Then paste it. You see, Ignatius, we are just copying and pasting.
Uh-huh.
And pass is ID, right? You can use ID, or you can use actually expert, you can use name, you can use class, you can just use one. Okay, great. Let's check. Now remember, whatever you tested manually, now you are testing automatically using test automation. You are writing the test automation scripts using Selenium and Java. Okay. Now execute it. Let's see what happens.
You lost your teacher, maybe.
Wonderful.
Okay.
It passed the password also, right?
Yeah.
We want to click it, right? We want to make our automation tool click on login button. We don't want to click manually. We want automation tool to be clicked. Are you getting the points, Ignatius?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Good. Now you are junior engineer.
Now we can do this one.
Yes. Just right button click. Click on inspect. Just drag a little bit to the right. Yes.
Whatever.
Now I become the host. No, you are the host.
Yeah. No, that's fine. You are done.
Just share. Just
No,
share.
ID. This one is ID.
Just share your screen first.
Oh, okay. It's already. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sharing. Okay. Share your name.
Okay.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
here I can see.
Okay. Okay. Don't tell anything. Now Ignatius will tell us. Can you see class? Can you see class there?
Yeah, I can see class. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see class. You see, you can now find element. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see locator name?
I saw name.
Name, you see it. Okay.
Yeah.
Name
Yeah.
locator. What is the value for name locator?
Let me see.
Let him see. Don't.
We have ID.
Okay. What is the name locator's value? Value is after equal sign.
Okay.
Can you see name?
Yeah, I saw name.
Okay, name equal to what?
Name equals to login.
Login, correct. You see, now you know how to find the elements, right?
Oh yeah, okay, login.
Okay, just copy login. You are copying value for name locator. Okay, then go back. So what do you need to do? You have to say driver dot find element. You are finding element and you already find element. What is it? Locator is by name or class.
By name.
By dot name. Okay, and what is the value? Value will go within quotation mark.
Quotation mark. Login.
And don't type. Let Ignatius think. What action we should take now to click on login? What should take action? Can you find the method we should take from here? We have clear, we have click, we have equals, we have find element, load of. What do you think? We want to click on login button. What method we should pick up here?
Is it void?
Yeah, void. We have in front of void we have a method. We have to tell them click. Yes, click. We have to click on the button, right?
Yeah.
So click is a method that will click on our button. Does it make sense, Ignatius?
Yeah, I think it does.
Yes. Okay. Execute it. Contest NG. Let's see. It's invoking the browser, navigating to facebook.com, passing the parameters, and it clicked. How do you know it clicked? Ignatius, how do you know it clicked?
It said the password you entered is correct.
Yes, the password you have entered is incorrect
Incorrect.
because we provide the incorrect username and incorrect password, right?
Right.
So we got the message because it was clicked. Now, what do you think? What is expected result here, Ignatius?
Expected result will be actual result, which is fail, test fail.
Test fail or test pass?
Test pass would be expected result, but in this case, the pass where you say with your password is you entered is incorrect.
Yes. Remember, if you enter username incorrect and password also incorrect, what are you expecting?
Expecting we are not able to log in.
Yes. Expected result is user should not able to log in because incorrect credentials, right?
Right.
Result is user should not be able to log in. And after we test actual result, we find the password you have entered is incorrect, meaning we couldn't log in. Does the expected result, do the expected result and actual result match? What do you think? Match or mismatch?
Mismatch. If it's a match, you will log in.
Yes. Expected result is user should not be able to log in with password. And actual result is we could not log in. So result match.
Matching.
Test is pass, right?
Pass, yeah.
The software is behaving smoothly. It's not allowing anyone with incorrect credentials, meaning this Facebook login functionality software is working fine. So the test is pass or fail. Ignatius, test is passed or failed? What do you think?
It's failed. Task is failed.
Failed?
Oh, it's passed. It's passed because
Passed,
we're not
yes.
expected to log in.
Right, passed. So
passed, yeah.
when you understand this concept, you become an engineer. Now you are a test engineer, okay?
Okay.
So when you are going to work with Facebook, you are just testing this login functionality for passwords, okay?
Okay.
Create account. These are the three main crucial functionality of Facebook software or web application, and you will be testing it manually as well as using this automation tool Selenium with Java. Okay, that's it. If you can do it, you will be making 100K. Okay, so first month you will be practicing this, second month you will be practicing it. Actually, we will practice with different software, not only Facebook. We will be testing Bank of America, we'll be testing Amazon.com, we will be testing Google.com, we will be testing Salesforce.com, we will be testing TD Bank, okay? We will be testing lot of web application, maybe more than 50. And all
Okay.
these applications are a real application. If you get a job in Facebook, you will be testing all this functionality, forgot password, create account. Okay, so
Okay.
in just 3 months you are going to become confident, and we are taking another month to recap, revise, repractice, and you will be ready to go to job market. Okay, so now we can close the test. Now how we can do it? Go back to your project, create another method, test method. No, it will
Yeah.
after method. Yeah, public void, we say tear down or
Yeah.
close browser. You can say close browser also.
Okay.
Down. Tear down means closing browser. It will be after method.
So that symbol, you put it first. How do you get that symbol?
We call it, this is not symbol, we call it test
The one,
annotation.
the
We,
one before A. The
yeah,
symbol before A.
we call it test annotations.
Text annotation.
Test annotations.
Okay.
Before the test case, we use before method. After the test case, we use after method.
Okay.
These are called annotations. Annotations. ANNOTATION. Annotations.
Okay. Does it come automatically, or do you have to press
Yes,
something on the keyboard?
yes, it comes automatically.
Okay. Okay.
When we type, and we can just import it. We just hover over the mouse and give us option to import it.
Okay.
Yeah, you will be practicing 100 times, so don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. If you, yeah. So what are you doing? You are telling, hey driver, now close our test, okay? Now telling, hey driver, quit, meaning,
Close.
yeah, totally close. Close is, okay, stop. It is stop and let's go. Get out, okay?
Yeah.
Now run the test and see what does happen. Uh, now the browser will automatically opening, running the test automatically. Once you write the test script, now you can test this software forever. Okay, now every single day there may be 50 QA engineer testing this web application. Okay, now if you are not using test automation tool, every single day you have to follow 5 steps manually. It will take a lot of time, maybe 1 hour. If you test this application 10 times, it will take 10 hours. But when you just develop this script one time, now just you need 2 clicks to run the test, right? So ultimately it is saving our time. Time is money. It's saving the money for company. Okay,
Yes.
you understand it? You understand the concept? What do you think? Is it doable? Yeah, doable. In 4 months, it is more than doable. LVG, Mr. Vincent learned it in just 1 month, and more 3 months ahead. He will be practicing, and definitely he will be confident in another 2 months, and you will be there. So, Ignatius, if you don't understand it yet, you don't need to. Remember,
Okay.
we will be learning all these things in next 2 months. We are learning little by little. Okay,
Right.
I know at the very beginning you will be struggling to understand it, but don't worry. Don't worry.
Yeah, that's the phase I'm now.
Yeah.
Try to make sense out of what is going on.
Yeah. Don't worry. Don't quit. Okay. Don't quit.
No.
To it. Stick to it. Okay. I don't understand. Yeah. I don't understand. No problem. I will understand step by step. Okay.
Okay.
So now, first thing what we have to do is tomorrow. Let's connect again, maybe in the evening, and let's see what's happening with your computer. I want to check.
Okay.
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 Maybe tomorrow I will use different software. This software called AnyDesk that will
Okay.
allow you to go to your computer. I can manage your computer from here. Okay. No.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No, I don't have any question right now. Like I said, I'm following what is going on. It's kind of interesting, though
Yeah.
very challenging.
Yeah. Challenging, at the same time
Yeah.
interesting and
Mm.
exciting. Okay. It will be
Yeah.
an exciting journey.
Okay, no problem.
All right. So that's
Yeah.
all for today.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's connect
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's connect tomorrow evening and check your computer. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Good
Have
night.
a good night.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.